Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 27th of September. It's 12 past 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and it still is 26th of September in New York and London. About 48 minutes left to New York session close. And yeah, let's take a look at the market. Before I start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I upload daily videos, daily signals, live trading. I do all my trades just the time that I'm recording this video. So you can get the signals as I get into the trade, so you can see exactly what's going on. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section below. Alright, let's start. This is oil. As I said yesterday, we had two pin bars here off of this resistance line, and boom, it shot up, and still there's a pin bar forming today. This shows that still buyers are in power, and they're trying to push the price high. I had two positions in oil. Both of them were closed. As you can see, both hit the target. Have a lot of negative trades as well, as you can see, but these two are positive. It's okay. Currently I'm at about $1,175 in profit, and the main one is Euro USD. Okay, gold, as I said, this was a kind of a sign of buy signal, you know, for some people, but I said that this still price is stuck under this 21 moving average. If you haven't seen this video, this is the previous video. I tried to put a link at the end of this video, so you go back and watch that one. Still price is stuck under this 21 moving average, and this shows that the market is still in downtrend. And if the price closes under the previous candle open price, see this close is below the open price of the previous one, this shows that the market tries and actually will trend down, continue this trend down. So the sellers are in power and they're trying to push the price down. Silver is the same. The market closed under this the open of the previous candle, and it's going down. This is silver versus Australian dollar. As you can see, this is not the case. Still market is trying to get to the previous candle open, but not yet. So it means that Australian dollar is a little bit stronger than US dollar. Sorry, a little bit weaker than the US dollar, and this pair is still following the gold versus US dollar. GBP USD, as you can see, you have two positions. One off of that, the big pin bar, and another one, if you remember, I had a pending order here, and it caught my order and it's going back. This pin bar shows a very strong downward pressure, and still we are in downward position. If you haven't got into the position, probably still you have time. It's not that this movement has not started. And my target is after 261 Fibonacci level, Fibonacci of this pin bar. Probably this is a safe area for your target. You know, you have a small resistance here, and yeah, but my target is down here, so I'm gonna follow it step by step. EuroCAD, it's not a signal for me. The zero lag MACD just crossed the zero line, crossed above the zero line, and it's going back again. Maybe it's a strong downtrend because the price couldn't continue, quite opposite of this big pin bar here. It couldn't continue, and it's a downward pressure which is ruling the price now. But yeah, I don't get this signal. I normally get the signal when this stochastic is at least in overbought and oversold yet. This for me is in the middle, is 57 now. No way. Okay, GBP CHF, this is a good signal. All signals are present now, and this is a pin bar. This is a very uptrend. Okay, so I get a small position, maybe one micro lot. and I sell it, and I put the put the target on top. Let's draw a Fibonacci of this pin bar. And my target is around this area between 261.8 and 423.6, closer to the 261.8. This is maybe 1/3 or 1/4 of this distance is my normal target area. Euro GBP, as I said yesterday, please go back and watch the previous video. I explained a lot about this. This is a flag, okay, and the pole of the flag is about, for me, is about 400 pips. So if I said that if it breaks, it's gonna go probably 400 pips. I have a pending order. It's not caught yet, but it's close to. I have to actually get into the market because according to my analysis, this resistance line here is broken, so market's gonna continue. So I put my pending order a little bit closer, so probably tomorrow or in the Asian session it's gonna get hit. Canadian JPY, I have a sell position. As you can see, all my signals were ready, but we're in the uptrend. Maybe it doesn't continue that much. I have a stop loss on top and my target is down here. So my reward to risk is 300 to 150, probably about more than 2 to 1. So not bad if it goes in our favor. AUD JPY, I don't have any position, but it seems that the market's trying to go down, but we have a strong resistance line here, and this 21 moving average is acting very strong in previous times. So this is kind of a resistance now, and market's gonna hold in this area. If we get the downward pressure, if we get the downward signal, we get in, but currently at the moment I think market's gonna stop. AUD USD, I have one position, and as you can see, just look at these pin bars. So the top of the market is always signed by a pin bar here, and the previous time, and this one here. So what we did, I got in late. Probably I should get in around that area, but when the market closed and I saw this candle, I just got in, and I moved my stop loss. My stop loss was higher, so I'm gonna move it again to the break even. So break even means you have to put the stop loss after the entry, so even if the market goes back, you won't lose any money. At least you lock in your trade, so you don't lose money. So this is a very strong downward pressure, as you can see, and as I said again, my target is between 261.8 and 423.6, closer to 261, and the reason is we have this strong resistance line here. It's a very long-term resistance line, probably weekly, and yeah, I'll put it up there above this resistance, and hopefully it's gonna the price gonna get my target. GBP JPY, all JPY pairs were moving very fast during past 2 weeks, but this week they are kind of retracing and taking their breath to gather some power for another move. It's not a strong downtrend. I haven't seen any signal yet in this pair, and the other pairs as well. You see CHF JPY is still going up. This is an uptrend. I have a position at buy, and so this GBP JPY probably is gonna continue its uptrend, but there's still no signal here, so we just wait on this one. Euro USD, if you remember from probably the past 3 videos, I'm talking about these head and shoulders here, and I drew this line about a week ago before the market opens and said that the target is close to this area. That's why my target is after 423. If it was my normal target, it would be hit by now, and as you can see, I mean about $1,000 profit. But because this trend is very strong, I'm gonna keep moving my stop loss, so I lock in more and more profit. And the head and shoulders analysis is that from the neckline, you see these 2 shoulders, you connect these 2 with the neckline, you measure to the head, it's about 180 pips. So if the price breaks the neckline, it's gonna go 180 pips. I put my target 150, so hopefully it's a very safe area, but 180 is a little bit lower on this red small resistance line here. So if you don't have any position in this pair, maybe you can get another 50, 70, 100 pips, I don't know, but yeah, I don't get into this again, so I just continue moving my target, my stop loss down, so to get close to my target. I got this position today. I got it yesterday, I think. I don't remember. See this pin bar here and this pin bar, all of them bounced off of this moving average, and it shows a very strong tendency to go. As you can see, this is a strong downtrend. Market retrace back. The next downtrend is very smaller, so it means that the market is trying to change direction. It's just like a car. You have to brake and you have to slow down and then turn direction. Okay, that's what the price did here, and all these pin bars, they show that the buyers are willing to push the price higher. That's why I got into this position. But if you put this is the template that we use. So 3-4 days ago, market the price crossed the zero lag MACD crossed actually the zero line, and this shows that whenever the price is above this zero line, the zero lag MACD shows that the market is in uptrend, and quite the opposite when as you can see in the past like 2 months, the price has been under the zero lag MACD has been under zero, and all the price has been in downtrend, and whenever it moves up above zero line, it's an uptrend. So currently we just started an uptrend, and all these signals, all these pin bars and crossing all these 21 moving average and 8 moving average shows that the market is going high. So it's a very good time to get into this trade. Maybe it goes back, I don't know, but all my signals are showing that the market is going higher. CHF JPY, as I said, this is Japanese yen pair. This one shows a very strong move and signal for an uptrend. Market moved up, bounced back, all these pin bars moved up again, bounced back, and this pin bar again probably is gonna go very high. As far as I've seen, this is a very strong signal, but anything can happen. So let's put our template. As you can see, from 3-4 weeks ago, the zero lag MACD has shown an uptrend. So I got in because of this pin bar. I got 2 more positions, I think. One was no, not this one, not this one. Yes, one is this one, Euro CHF, Swiss franc, Euro versus Swiss franc. So as you know, these 2 moving averages that I have here, whenever they cross, I have this arrow, and the other arrow is my own indicator. This, as you can see, EMA candle arrow. So this is a very strong signal for me. Whenever all these signals, stochastic crosses, zero lag MACD crosses under zero line, and I have this arrow, which means that the moving averages cross, and this pin bar, it shows that the very strong downward move has been started, and I got in. I have a very big stop loss, so I have enough room if the market try to goes back. But yeah, it's very good. This is very a small pin bar, so the target is not that far, but still I put this at after 261.8 level. If you haven't got into this trade, this is very good. The stop loss and target is up to you, so do whatever you want, but as I say, this is a good signal. So it's not late, it's just fresh. And the other one that I saw, this one, I don't have any trade. This one is the same, AUDCHF, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. So it's probably all related to Swiss franc. All of the pairs of franc are moving down, so franc is getting stronger, and I have these moving average cross, zero lag MACD cross, and stochastic is going down. But this pair has been in a very sideways move, for a long time. One analysis is that it's gonna continue like that. The other one is that it's been resting for a while and it's gonna start a very strong move. I don't know about that. But this is a small signal for me, and maybe I have too many trades. I don't want to open this one. It's not very big trade for me. But if you trade in 1, 2, 3 days, maybe you can get a very safe profit here, maybe 100 pips. Okay guys, this was for today. Hopefully you learned something, and hopefully you can get into some trades, lock in some profits. If you learned something, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with other people who want to learn. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section below. I put a download link for the indicators that I use if you want, especially that the moving average cross indicator. As you can see, it's MA2 signal. You can search and find it on Google. It's free, but if you don't want to take the hassle of finding it, I put the download link there so you can download it. Go to my website. There's a big a green button for the receiving all my indicators. Click on that, put your email there, and you will receive an email containing all these indicators. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day.